Hello everybody, I'm James and Tim. Go give you a quick walk around tour of our latest used car in stock. This is a 2019 Peugeot 2.8 Signature, finished in the striking Nimbus Grey. You have the 16-inch titanium alloy wheels, which look stunning, as well as chrome wing mirrors and dark tinted rear windows. Going into the back, the interior is cloth with this gorgeous blue contrast stitching. The seats do have ISOFIX mounting points, and you have what I like to call keep fit windows. Your children won't have a clue what they are. You have rear parking sensors running along the bumper. I'm going into the booth. The booth is massive, and underneath here is your spare wheel as well as all the tools to change it, just in case you ever get a puncture. When I went around the car, I could not see a single scratch on the paintwork or on any of the alloys. I'm going into the car. The 208 has done 19,156 miles. That will advise you to test drives. You have some controls to the right of the steering column to turn off eco mode, to disable your parking sensors, so as your child locks. You also have your headlight adjustment down there. You have your driving functions as well as your vehicle settings. AM and FM radio frequencies as well as digital radio. Change that by going into your options, and you can tap what band you want. Navigation, so you can only use that when you connect your phone by Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto, which is located below your climate controls. You also have a 12-volt socket outlet down there for plug-in to your dash cam in. Going to the aircon controls, you have what direction, as well as the speed and what temperature. You also have your air circulation, aircon and rear demister. You also have your hazards and door locks there. You have your system settings there, your driving functions, and you can see what text messages and photos you have. If you are interested in this gorgeous Peugeot 2.8 Signature, then please give us a call at 01244 398 600, where one of our sales executives will be able to go into even more detail than what I've just went into. Thank you and have a very good day.